Welcome back to another videos. Join us for the latest news, insights, and updates on the Iraqi dinar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's explore the world of the Iraqi dinar together. The fluctuations in foreign exchange rates are crucial indicators of a nation's economic health and stability. In the context of Iraq, the changes in the US dollar's exchange rates in the markets of Baghdad and Erbil. Exchange rates are primarily determined by the forces of supply and demand. If the demand for the US dollar in Iraq is high, its value tends to increase. Conversely, when demand is low, the value may decrease. In this case, we observed a slight increase in the exchange rate, which could be attributed to factors affecting supply and demand. The economic conditions within a country can significantly impact its exchange rates. A country with strong economic fundamentals is more likely to attract foreign investments and thereby increase the demand for its currency. Political stability plays a crucial role in determining the strength of a nation's currency. Instability can deter foreign investments and affect the exchange rate. Iraq's history of political instability can have implications for its currency's value. The policies of Iraq's central bank, the Central Bank of Iraq, including interest rates and money supply, can also influence exchange rates. Before delving into the specific changes in the exchange rates, it's important to understand the broader economic context in Iraq. Oil dependency. Iraq is heavily dependent on oil exports for its revenue. The global oil market, which is influenced by factors like production levels and geopolitical tensions, has a direct impact on Iraq's economic stability and exchange rates. Iraq has experienced significant political instability over the years, stemming from ethnic, religious, and regional tensions. This instability can deter foreign investment and impact exchange rates. The country faces economic challenges, including high unemployment, public debt, and a need for infrastructure development. These issues can impact exchange rates as well. The specific changes in the exchange rates for the US dollar in Baghdad and Erbil are important to examine. In Baghdad, the opening of the Al-Kifar and Al-Harithiyya stock exchanges marked an increase in the exchange rate. The US dollar was traded at 162,000 Iraqi dinars for $100, compared to 161,800 dinars the previous day. Local exchange shops in Baghdad saw the selling price of the US dollar reach 163,000 Iraqi dinars, while the purchasing price stood at 161,000 dinars for every $100. Indicating a rise in both buying and selling rates. In Erbil, the exchange rate for the US dollar surged as well. Selling prices in banking shops reached 161,900 dinars, with the purchase price recorded at 161,800 dinars for $100. As a major oil exporter, Iraq's economy is heavily influenced by global oil prices. A rise in oil prices can lead to increased revenue for the government, potentially strengthening the demand for the US dollar. Iraq, like many countries, has been grappling with the economic effects of the COVID-19 pandemic. Exchange rates may be reacting to signs of economic recovery, both domestically and internationally. Political stability or instability in Iraq can have a significant impact on exchange rates. Any political developments, including elections or changes in leadership, can create uncertainty. The policies and actions of Iraq's central bank, the CBI, may influence exchange rates. Central banks often intervene in the currency markets to stabilize or influence their currency's values. High inflation can erode the value of a currency. If Iraq is experiencing inflation, it may affect the exchange rate of the dinar against the US dollar. Traders' and investors' perceptions of Iraq's economic and political stability can play a role in determining exchange rates. Market sentiment can lead to fluctuations. An increase in the value of the US dollar can lead to higher import prices and inflation, which may affect the purchasing power of the local population. Exchange rate fluctuations can influence a country's export and import dynamics. A stronger US dollar can make Iraqi exports more competitive on the global market, potentially boosting the export sector. Changes in exchange rates can influence foreign investment in Iraq. A more stable or stronger currency may attract foreign investors. The government's revenue from oil exports, which is usually denominated in US dollars, can be impacted by exchange rate changes. Exchange rate fluctuations can also influence public perception of the economy and government policies. Stable or strengthening exchange rates may be seen as a sign of economic stability. The changes in the US dollar exchange rates in Baghdad and Erbil reflect the dynamic nature of Iraq's economy. Various factors, including global oil prices, economic recovery, political developments, and central bank policies, can influence these rates. These fluctuations have implications for inflation, trade dynamics, investment, government revenue, and public perception of the economy. Their underlying causes is essential for assessing the economic health and stability of Iraq. Thanks for watching Iraqi Dinar. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share our videos. Your support keeps our channel going. Stay curious, and see you in the next one.